Today we're making a dessert that has just the right amount of creamy, and the flavor is incredible. Howard shows us how to make a really good rice pudding in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Have you ever eaten something that you just didn't like? For me, it used to be rice pudding. The one time I had it as a kid, the rice was hard and the pudding part was far from creamy. That all changed recently when I tried a new recipe for creamy rice pudding that Patty from our test kitchen created. It was so good, I knew I had to share it with you. The big difference with the recipe that Patty made compared to others I've had was that she made hers with medium grain rice versus long grain rice. This makes hers more tender and the starch adds to the creaminess. To make it, we cook the rice like normal until all the water is absorbed and set it aside. Then, in a large saucepan, we combine some milk, sugar, salt, and the rice and cook it, stirring it continuously. When it thickens, we stir in more milk and an egg and let it simmer for a few more minutes before adding some butter and a splash of vanilla. When it comes to serving this, you can put it in a bowl and let everyone help themselves, or you can dish it up shooter style. Add a little tiramisu topping to these and make them extra special. To get the recipe for our really good rice pudding, as well as our tiramisu rice pudding shooters, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a creamy, dreamy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.